Stop drinking bitter, muddy coffee. You deserve better. Most people think great coffee comes from a machine, but the truth is, the best cup of coffee you will ever taste is made with gravity, paper, and a little bit of patience. This is the V60 Pour Over method. It looks simple, but there is a precise science happening here. We are controlling exactly how the hot water extracts the flavor compounds from the beans. Too fast, and it tastes sour and weak. Too slow, and it becomes bitter and dry. We're aiming for the sweet spot in the middle. Today, I am going to guide you through the ritual of the perfect brew. Step 1. The gear and the grind. You need a V60 dripper, a paper filter, and a gooseneck kettle. But the most important tool is your grinder. You cannot use those cheap blade grinders that chop the beans into dust. You need a burr grinder. We are looking for a medium fine grind, roughly the texture of sea salt. Step 2. The rinse. Fold the seam of your paper filter and place it in the dripper. Now pour hot water through it. This serves two purposes. It preheats your mug, and crucially, it washes away the papery taste of the filter. Dump that water out. Step 3. The ratio. We're using a ratio of 1 to 16. That means for every 1 gram of coffee, we use 16 grams of water. Today, we are using 15 grams of coffee, which means we need 250 grams of water. Step 4. The bloom. This is the most magical part. Start your timer. Pour just enough water, about 30 grams, to wet the grounds. Now stop. Watch the coffee bubble and rise. This is called the bloom. The hot water is releasing carbon dioxide trapped inside the beans. If we don't let this gas escape, it forms a barrier that prevents the water from extracting the flavor. Let it bloom for 45 seconds. Step 5. The pour. Now begin pouring slowly in concentric circles, starting from the center and spiraling out, but never touching the paper walls. We want a steady, gentle stream. The goal is to keep the coffee bed flat and agitated, so every single crumb of coffee is washed evenly. Step 6. The drawdown. Once you have poured all your water, let gravity do the rest. As the liquid drains through, give the dripper a tiny swirl to catch any grounds stuck to the sides. This ensures a flat bed at the bottom, which is the sign of a perfect extraction. Step 7. The taste. Let it cool for a minute. Your tongue cannot taste complex flavors when liquid is boiling hot. As it cools, the sweetness and acidity will shine through. Clean, bright, and full of flavor. This isn't just caffeine, it is a moment of peace in a chaotic world. Subscribe to Another How To Guru to master more of life's daily rituals.